Hey, this is John from Nerd Nite Tokyo, bringing you a quick interview with speaker Peter Mears. He'll be coming up to talk at our next Nerd Nite event, which is January 11th, 2019, 8 p.m. at Nagaracho Grid in the heart of Tokyo. Come out and see us. Until that time, here is a video of Peter falling from the sky with some interview snippets in the background. Enjoy.
Yeah, my rather long journey of maybe 30 years of skydiving. Yeah, I'm sharing that's a little bit of that story with you, and I'm sharing the details of what a modern day skydive looks like. The excitement, the detail, and what I find is, the art of body flight. That's what I want to share. The art of body flight and how we can move in an extreme that, may be a little bit hard to conceive. It isn't the adrenaline rush. I'm not the adrenaline. The adrenaline junkie was something I did when I was younger. That's something that now it's more about the art of being able to be in control at an extreme where I'm falling at 120 miles an hour, hit terminal velocity, and I can basically take a grip on a friend and we can fly together and we can control that flight. I'd really like to appeal to younger people and say, look, there's an open door, there's an adventure you can have. It's fun, it's a dynamic, it's something that you can really stretch your mental ability, and the physical one of that as well. A fear is something that you generate yourself. Fear is when I'm at the top of a ladder and the ladder starts shaking, oh, I'm scared of heights. But when you're at 4,000 meters, there is no shaking ladder, and you can't really relate to the ground anyway. My main worry, my concern is that people don't discover this and people don't engage. I think that the amount of people that say, oh, I go skydiving in Tokyo, and they go, where do you go skydiving in Tokyo? And it's okay, we're 70 kilometers away from Tokyo, but it's it's a busy little drop zone, but we still need to see fresh people coming into the sport, enjoying, this challenge. It's a challenge in the beginning. It becomes a challenge. It starts as a challenge, and everybody handles it in a different way, and they progress in their way, and they become a part of this community and this sport. And I just would like to see more people. I'd like to see people engaged, and I don't have a fear, but I kind of think that that story needs to be told, and people need to be aware of its existence. Yeah, my name is Peter Mears. I'm looking forward to meeting you all at the next Nerd Night. We'll have an exciting talk, and I hope to really open up your worldview and have a real adventure.
That was Peter Mears, expert skydiver and pretty cool guy. We'll be seeing him January 11th. If you need more details about the event, and we encourage you to do so, please check us out, tokyo.nerdnite.com, or social media, facebook.com/nerdnite, that's N-I-T-E, Tokyo, or Twitter @NNTokyo. Descriptions are in the link if you're watching this on YouTube.